is raining out. Well, sprinkling. For here, that's a lot of rain. You can hear it coming down. Aw, it's so pretty. Tangelos look good. The only thing is, they're not sweet until May. I mean, if you want to compete against a lemon, try eating them now. Speaking of lemons, they're getting to be a good size. That one's ready to be picked. It's got a blush of pink. Lemon bars, here I come. Got a bit of a wind. Not enough water to start running yet. Poor little fig tree. Oh, God. Well, I'm able to save some water. Not a whole lot. But every little bit of rainwater that I've saved is better for my seedlings. I used to use that trash can, except it got a hole in it. And we haven't had any decent rain in the last 3-4 years. To even try dragging it over here. Well, what are we going to do? I don't know. It's raining out. Look, I see stars. No, you don't see stars. It's raining out. How can you see stars when it's raining out? It's raining out, stupid. What's this coming down the middle of the road? It's going to go chase him. Oh, dear. Something's going to go chase him. Now the big dog's going to go get him. I'm going to go chew him up.